How is it? Misha Spartan. I talk about Philadelphia, the Spartan crew. How is it? What we say? Misha Spartan. Misha Spartan. She ready for the war. Misha Spartan. Misha Spartan. Ready for the war. They sing war them want me shall take it to them. Style them want me shall give it to them. Anywhere now the rush she just take it to them. When she take it, please you save it. Say them a hot girl and them come stop it. Misha Spartan, she done lead it. Real hot girl and go window shopping. Misha Spartan, she done lead it. So hey ladies, so put your hands up. Say ladies, so put your hands up. Cause you got it going on, put your hands up. How you did your body good, put your hands up. Misha Spartan, ready for the war. Misha Spartan, ready for the war. Because a hot girl is a Spartan wherever she may be. In the town or in the country. Hot girl is a Spartan wherever she may be. In the town or in the country. Hot girl from Philly, they bout ya. Hot girl from New York, they bout ya. Hot girl from Jersey, they bout ya. Hot girl from Japan, they bout ya. Hot girl from England, they bout ya. Super Spartan, Louis Vuitton, Dana. Make me tell you Dana. Make me tell you one thing, yeah man. Ha! Big respect to all the Spartan crew, you know. Drink up, yes, it's a party. Drink up, yes, it's a party. Drink up, yes, it's a party. Now when me roll out, the girl them roll out. When me roll out, the girl them show about. When me roll out, you say, yeah man. Misha Spartan, she ready for the war. Misha Spartan, she built for the war. Misha Spartan, she ready for the war. Because war them want, she will give it to them. War them want, she will take it to them. Anywhere in the world, she will